Somebody has the hiccups today.
Poor Liliani. What was that? What was that?
Do you have the hiccups, baby girl? Hiccup for your Dido. Hiccup for your Gamma. Good girl.
Poor thing.
Hiccup for your mama. Hiccup for your daddy. Good girl.
Okay, that's enough. Poor thing.
She's cute. She's sitting yoga style.
She's sitting yoga
She's
style.
a yoga baby just like mama.
She's doing Buddha.
It's not fixing the hiccups
She's
though.
meditating.